Yo, what's good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another Photoshop tutorial. It's your girl Mo. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop some heat on you. And today I'm gonna show you how to put a picture inside of your text in Photoshop. You feel me? So let's go ahead and hop into the video. All right, so first off, can't speak. First off, I just want to show y'all how to use the text tool because we haven't discussed the text tool. So to get a shortcut to the text tool, you're gonna want to press T. That's your shortcut. And if you look over here on your tool bar and go down, that's your text tool. If you right click, it'll give you other options, but make sure you're not on any of these. We're just using the horizontal type tool. Now, if you don't see any of this looking the same on your Photoshop right now, what you want to do is go to Windows, Workspace, and I'm in Essentials. I use the default. You could be in any of these workspaces depending on your workflow. But if you want to follow along with this tutorial, Essentials, default. You're gonna want to reset Essentials. Just reset so we can all be in the same place. All right, cool. So I'm gonna drag this over here. Sorry about that. All right, sorry. So I'm gonna drag that over there. If you want to follow along with the pictures I'm using and the text that I'm gonna use, it'll be in the description too. All right, so we got that out the way. So T, go into our text tool. Now, before I start typing, the font that I'm using is Build Tithing. Build Tithing or Build Titling. It's so small that I can't really see it, but Built Titling. That's what it is. Excuse all that other jumble I was talking about, all right? At the top, it's like an information bar. I don't know the correct name for it, but it's an information bar, and it tells you about the tools that you have at hand right now. So we got the text tool, so we got text information up here, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't see this bar, or if you don't want to just work up here, it's another way you can get to it by pressing Window, coming down and going to Character. And this is all that information up there. You feel me? It's all that. It's just more. It's just a little bit more. You know what I mean? But you still got your build titling right here. Build titling. You can do both. You know what I'm saying? They got your other little stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that's just a, work around from up here. Cool, with a little bit more stuff on it. So I'm just gonna click out of that. All right, so what you want to do is click on the canvas, and it's gonna give you that sampling text. Just delete that, and I'm gonna just in all caps. Oh, I am sorry about that, y'all. Sorry. All right, doing a lot of apologizing, but anyway, in all caps, I'm gonna write out Dallas, because that's where I'm at, Dallas, Texas, baby. And I'm gonna press Control T to bring up the transform window, and I'm gonna click one of these edges and size it up. All right, size it up to where you need it to be. I want it big as possible, and I'm gonna click OK. Now that we got our text, and it's in our layers. Pull it up. It's in our layers panel. You want to bring in your photo. Whatever photo you choose to drop in here. So go to File, go to Place Embedded, choose your photo wherever it may be on your computer. Mine is right here, Dallas skyline, and it's gonna drop in. Now when it drop in, right out back, you can boost up the size on it, right? If I want to stay in proportion, I'll press Alt and drag. Stay in proportion in the middle of my screen, and I know that it's covering. Just cover your text and press Alt. Now I'm gonna go to my move tool by pressing V, and I'm gonna move it around where I want to some more. I think it'll be cool right there. And over here, I think this is, you want to press Alt. You want to press Alt, and it's gonna give you a little box with an arrow going down. Now your picture and your text that you want to drop the picture in gonna have to be side by side. the text gonna have to be on the bottom, the picture gonna have to be on the top. You know what I'm saying? If you're doing some real freaky stuff, then you'll have it the other way around, you know, or you could do it, you could do this with pretty much anything. Just take it and have your way with it. But the ideal thing is to put the picture in the text, you feel me? So press Alt and go between them until you see a little box with an arrow going down. Click it, it'll drop right in there. Boom. You want to go to your V tool if you're not happy where it is sitting at, and make sure you're on that layer of the picture, and you can move it around. You know what I'm saying? So that's fire right there. That's that heat. That's that heat. You know what I mean? That's that heat. So that's how to drop a picture into text. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs down if you hated it. Give me some of your feedback, your comments. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and there's more videos to come. Leave some suggestions on what I should do next, man. So we're gonna rock with it. I'm building y'all up, and we're gonna do a lot more in the coming weeks. All right, everybody be safe. Love all y'all.